Alright guys, we are live in Marleybone. It's a very special day today. So
what's happening today, Abby?
The London man, we're all going to make our way to Birmingham. I'm going to give a special girl surprise.
Oh my goodness, this tastes so good. Oh, what, the surprise? Oh yeah, the surprise.
It's the surprise.
I'm not done hug back.
For the 12 and 32
We are in the shithole. Where are we, lads? Okay, so we're in Bullring now. We're trying to.
My hair is amazing.
We're trying to find some cake right now.
And we've come to the best place. Like, you always guarantee the cake.
So I don't even bloody drink. But I'm but I'm the one buying the fucking drinks. Who put this in charge? You got the cake? Got the cake, got the cake. Now we just gotta get to the place.
It's weird, right? The older you get, the more you complain about the heat.
So this is where we're staying. Very nice view. I'm really liking it. Fair play, Gokul. It's a really good place. Bathroom over there. The lovely bedroom over here. Who's the lucky person I'm going to be sleeping with? Probably Rahul. And this is where the magic's going to happen. How are we all feeling, guys? Are we feeling excited?
So excited.
We're on our way.
Oh, okay.
Surprise! Yay! Come in! We did it, boys. We did it.
Yeah, are you surprised?
Oh.
I was like, why are you pushing me? Hope you push through and then front of me.
Are you gonna cry yet?
Yeah, almost. That's already. Cry. Oh, hello. Hello. Where are we going? Where are we going?
I can feel good when you're just like this.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Should we sit down that way? So there'll be more friends coming in. Oh wow.
Yes. He needs a hug. He needs a hug. The whole clique is here, yes.
We were like, it's too spicy, don't do it. I was like, Gopi, you don't have to. She was like, try it. And you had it. Next minute, half an hour.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Harrini. Happy birthday to you. Come on, speech. That's the fun.
I just want to say thank you so much again. You've all surprised me, and like honestly, I wouldn't have expected this at all. But thank you, all of you. Everyone, thank you so much.
Hey. Oh.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you.
From Asda? Yeah? From Asda.
Hey.
Wow.
Baby girl, yeah? I show you first, yeah? 1, 2, 3, then 5. Okay? You're gonna hold your so
Go on. 1, 2, 3. Flip.
I'll break your heart.
Oh, you can do it, man. You can do it.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
That was really good.
Special pancakes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Abracadabra. Diet Coke. From Liverpool. Not hard.
I regret doing that now.
Happy birthday to you.
This is literally, this is a gift from everyone,
Okay.
but I can only show you by my phone.
Okay.
Ah.
What? 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 Wait.
Tickets.
To the Lion King musical.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god! I've always wanted to see.
You get to take one person with you.
Yeah.
No pressure. But that's your problem now.
Right, one more.
Absolutely.
It's got my name on it.
Open
It's got my name on it. Oh! Wait, did you get?
Oh shit, I'm getting front row seats for this one. Go. That's Harrini.
Thanks for establishing that.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that is sick. That's your Pizza Hut, right?
Yeah.
Is that another recreation photo, right?
Right, everything.
Oh, guys, I'm gonna treasure this like forever. Thank you. Thank
Told you it's better than the 20-year-old.
What?
Oh, thank you.
Tell me nothing. Ah! I can't do it, I still can't play. A little bit.
The mad one?
It's been a mad one. It's like so dead right now.
So knackered. Poor Al sleeping in the darkness. You can't see him, but he's
Sleeping. It's like 5
good. But yeah, it's us signing off. This is our honeymoon.
This is it. Honeymoon suite.
So yeah.
Yeah. Activity in a bed.